Sometimes, you may want to lock a chat on WhatsApp. We're not talking about completely locking the WhatsApp app. We're talking about how to lock a single chat in WhatsApp. For this, open the WhatsApp application. After that, select the contact that you want to lock. For example, I'm selecting this contact. After that, at the top, you can see their name or number. Click on that, and here you can see the chat lock option. You need to turn this on. When you click on that, you'll see the continue option. Click on continue. When you do that, you'll be asked to confirm your identity with a fingerprint sensor or your PIN code. For example, I'm using my fingerprint sensor. After that, if you go back and open this chat again in the WhatsApp application, here at the top, you can see it's locked. You need to click on this, only then can you see the chat. And before opening the chat, you need to confirm your identity with a fingerprint sensor or PIN code. Anyway, after confirming, you can open that chat and chat with them. So, this way, you can easily lock any chat on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.